Hey everyone, welcome back to Trend TV, your go-to spot for the latest in tech and innovation. Today we're diving into Huawei's latest foldable masterpiece, the Huawei Mate X5. From its stunning design to groundbreaking features, this device has everyone talking. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know, including the highly anticipated release date in the USA. Let's get started. The Huawei Mate X5 is a true marvel of engineering. It features a sleek, ultra-slim foldable design that builds on the success of its predecessor, the Mate X3. This foldable smartphone boasts a 7.85-inch OLED inner display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a 6.4-inch outer screen that's perfect for quick tasks. The durable hinge mechanism ensures a seamless folding experience, while its lightweight build makes it a joy to carry around. This design is all about elegance and functionality, making it one of the most premium foldables on the market. Under the hood, the Mate X5 is powered by the Kirin 9000S chip, promising top-notch performance and efficient multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or running productivity apps, this phone delivers a smooth and responsive experience. Plus, with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, you'll have all the power and space you need. Advanced cooling system for sustained performance, dual 50-megapixel Leica-tuned cameras for stunning photos and videos, long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery with 66-watt fast charging. The Mate X5 runs on Harmony OS, Huawei's own operating system. It offers a unique and intuitive experience tailored for foldable devices. From multitasking with split screens to seamless app transitions, this OS takes full advantage of the foldable design. The Huawei Mate X5 has already launched in China and received rave reviews. But here's the question: when can we expect it in the USA? While Huawei hasn't officially confirmed a US release date, industry insiders suggest it might roll out internationally by mid-2025. However, given ongoing restrictions, the availability might be limited to certain regions or sold via third-party retailers. As for pricing, the Mate X5 starts at around $2,000 in China. If it does make its way to the US, we can expect similar pricing in the premium foldable category. This device is aimed at tech enthusiasts and professionals who want cutting-edge innovation. So, what are your thoughts on the Huawei Mate X5? Is this the foldable you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.